Transition genuinely animates a real property change smoothly over time instead of it happening actually instantly. In this video, you'll build a real smooth hover transition. Without transition, this real color change on hover genuinely happens in a single, instant, actual frame. Transition genuinely tells the browser to animate the real background change smoothly over an actual 0.3-second duration. Multiple real properties genuinely can transition together, each with its own actual duration and timing function. Transition genuinely animates a property change smoothly over time. It genuinely needs a property name and a real duration. Multiple real properties genuinely can transition together, separated. Add a real smooth transition to a button's hover background and transform. Ready to build real multi-step animations with keyframes?